Hi, my name is Cristian Andres Ovalle. Here we have the climate conditions that I vote to show in the next week, where on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, you can do all kinds of ecological walks, observing biodiversity. You can also do mountain biking and exercise all kinds of industrials were since these days we will have a sunny morning with temperatures between 24 and 26 degrees centigrade. In the afternoon, it is recommended no not carry out this recommended since we will have heavy stormy runs with some hurricanes with temperatures within 70 and 20 degrees centigrades. Thank you very much.